What's the meaning of cantor? Cantor. Cantor.
Cantor. Cantor. A cantor is typically a singer who leads the congregation in prayer and song during Jewish religious services. The word originally referred to someone who sang the liturgical music in a cathedral, but it now specifically refers to someone in the Jewish faith. Cantors are trained in Jewish music and often have a deep understanding of the prayers and rituals. They use their musical talents to lead the community in worship, inspiring devotion and creating a spiritual atmosphere. In short, a cantor is a skilled musician who plays an important role in leading religious services within the Jewish tradition.